Euro against US dollar this week has started with the value rising and reaching 1.05274, and from here the price has dropped down. In the previous week analysis I mentioned there is a potential that the price will reach this area of resistance, and then the price has returned back down with these 4 bearish candles. We can see that the price formed a bearish breakout on a Wednesday, here it was, which was indication of the further decline in value, but we can see the prices try to return back up above this area of resistance and could not close the price above, but the day has closed below. This also was indication of the further decline in value, and then the price has gone all the way back down to 1.03471. So if you would like also to receive this kind of the updates when there is a bearish or bullish breakout with the target, feel free to check the premium analysis. Inside I'm sharing these details on the 4-hour time frame as well as on the daily time frame, so the traders are informed when the price forms a bullish or bearish breakout and also what are the targets. Now let's see how the week has closed. The week has closed as a bearish candle. We can see that easily because in the 4 days the price has dropped down in value, and we can see the price has reached this area of support, and it is just and we have here a month that has been closed as a bearish. Previous month has closed as a bullish one, we can see that, and this one is a bearish that the price could not return back all the way back down, but we can see that the price has gone below this area of support, which is a very important one. So will this continue to lose its value? We'll see, but there is a high potential that the price reaches 1.03 on the monthly time frame. So the daily, sorry, I made a mistake, sorry, this was a weekly time frame. Now let's go to the monthly time frame to see how this looks. Now we can see that the price has formed this indecision candle, which is currently active on the market, which means there is no bullish or bearish currently momentum here visible on the monthly time frame. How the price will behave in the next month, this is probably the best to see on the daily time frame. On the weekly time frame, I have said there is a potential that the price reaches 1.03 price level, and we can see that 1.03471 is the support on the daily time frame that is holding the price from further decline. But if the price makes a bearish breakout below this one, we can see that 1.03 is the next support level where the price could drop, and after that 1.02541. What will happen around this area of support where the price currently is? I'm waiting outside and waiting for the breakout. So for now there is no clear information of what could happen on a Monday, and for the next week also, because current status is waiting outside and waiting for the bullish or bearish breakout. This will be shared inside the premium analysis with traders. That's all for this week. See you next time and happy trading.
That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.